So this is the 2-week update on my C4, C5 disc replacement. I wanted to give an update. So many of you commented and asked questions about this disc replacement. It is a bionic, kind of a metal foam combination that they put in place of your disc, and it allows me to maintain my mobility without having to roll my shoulders forwards or turn this way to look at somebody. As we're 2 weeks out now, it was 14 days ago today that I had the double disc replacement. For me, 14 days out, I'd only take Tylenol now. I take 1,000 milligrams of Tylenol about twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening. I'm not sore around the side, I'm not sore around my neck any, but in the back, just where my neck meets my shoulder blades, I'm a little bit sore, but it's more of a soreness than an actual pain. I have good range of motion. I'm telling you guys, if you have any type of neck injury or neck pain, that they're telling you need a neck fusion in more than 1 or 2 vertebrae, I highly recommend that you contact Toa In Murfreesboro, Dr Shibiyama. He's also on TikTok under Spinal Surgery Works. You can look him up. He shows a lot of different things that he does. He'll be tagged in this video, of course. But I'm telling you that this guy really knows what he's doing. He was a lifesaver for me. I can still continue my daily activity. You're limited for just a few weeks. I go back next week for my first checkup. You are limited to how much you can lift and carry and that kind of stuff for a few weeks. But after that, you get turned loose to do your full duty and whatever you need to do. So I highly recommend it. My daughter's going to come in a little close and get a shot of it. This is 14 days out. You can see how it's healing real good. I take showers every day. It doesn't bother me. I can't see any stitches, so I believe that's some type of wax that they rub over the top that just seals the slit so that there's no stitches, because I don't see any stitches there. We appreciate y'all. If you have any questions, do like you did last time, ask away, and I'll answer them the best I can. Again, go to Spinal Surgery Works under TikTok. Look up Dr Shibiyama, and also contact TOA in Murfreesboro if you're considering any type of spinal surgery. He does endoscopy type spinal surgery where they just poke holes in your back. He doesn't cut you all the way down. And if you've been told you need a neck fusion, please don't get it without consulting Dr. Shibiyama. He may change your life for the better. All right, thank you so much.